Malware Error 2026 Diagnosing and Fixing System Crashes. So, the anatomy of a crash. What is Error 2026? A critical affair triggered when malware encounters conflict with Windows Defender or background system process, often during real-time scanning or definition updates. The common triggers: simultaneous real-time protection for multiple antivirus programs, outdated or corrupted malware definition, incompatible Windows driver or DLL version, impact on your system, expect frozen interface, unexpected reboots, and interrupted scans left unresolved. Error 2026 can leave your system exposed and unstable during critical protection windows. Immediate troubleshooting range. So here is when Error 2026 strikes. Act fast with these three target steps to restore stability: repair, install, disable conflict, and manual update. So, deep dive system restoration. When trying isn't enough, quick fix fail. A deeper restoration is required to eliminate corrupt files and misconfiguration at the system level. Clean install method. Use malware clean utility to wipe corrupt registry keys and residual files before reinstalling fresh. Align the windows. Ensure Windows 10/11 is fully updated. Outdated drivers and DLLs are leading cause of version mismatch. Firewall configuration. Verify that Malwarebytes executables have proper network permission to communicate and update without restriction. Final resolution and prevention. Stay current. Adopt a proactive maintenance routine. Keep both of your OS and antivirus definition updated to prevent capability gaps. Schedule smartly, config scans and update during off-peak hours to avoid work interruptions and resource contentions. Monitor and maintain. A stable system requires harmonious software interaction. Reinstall cleanly, update regularly, and monitor for conflict to maintain total protection. Key takeaway: Error 2026 is flexible. Diagnose the root cause, apply the right level of restoration, and implement a prevention routine to keep your system secure and stable. So there you go guys. Hope you guys did. Kung nyo if ano question concerns, tapit ako question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.